Hey everybody, welcome to the internet. You're on the internet, I'm not. I'm in the real world right now. We are here for the final battle. It's kind of a final battle. It sounds dramatic, and this is the internet.
More dramatic, so it needs to be.
Emotional. BRZ still
winning.
Still winning. Well, we don't know yet. We're about to find out. But we have the BRZ, which basically has some wheels and tires and some springs, some sway bars. Over here we've got Martin's STI. And we're at a different track today, a smaller, tighter track.
Twistier, more technical, more elevation.
That's right. And so we're just going to see how these two staples of Subaru goodness go.
Would you like to come with us? You can come with us through the magic of, there's nothing on there. Through the magic of like cameras and stuff. We'll put them in the car, we'll drive around, and we'll see which car's faster again.
Yep. Make sure you let us know how we can drive better in the comments, because we're keen to see it. Actually, we learned some things last time from the comments. Martin, what did you learn last time?
I learned that I need to be more aggressive and take advantage of the fact that I've got all drive and the classic slow in, fast out. But it doesn't seem, no matter how slow I go to a corner, it's still just understeers. So I don't know. All I know is it's a lot of fun to drive. Diff controller, maybe I can make it a bit more taily, which might be more fun if nothing else.
And Martin, somebody told me, I learned that I should buy a real car, but I'm just... Looks real to me. Looks real to me. So, there, look at that thing. Look at that. What a little...
We up? Yeah, man. Let's go for a drive.
So we're up. So it's going to be a bit of BRZ, a bit of WRX. The BRZ needs a name. What's a good acronym for BRZ? I'm leaving that to the comments. And the best one, I'm going to call my car. Don't call it like Big Rancid Zoo or Bowls Raging...
Xylophone.
That's an X, dude. All right, whatever. Anyway, give us your name and we will not legally, rename the car. We're going to do something different this time. We're not going to talk and yell the whole time. We're just going to drive, and maybe we'll do an even quicker lap time because we can concentrate. All right, let's hit it.
Here we go.
Making my way out onto the track here at Luddenham for a little warm-up. And then I will attempt to chase down Marty's STI. We've talked about doing track days quite a bit. It's a really fun way of track days are a really fun way of testing your car, testing your own abilities. It's definitely worth coming out and doing one if you can. Oh, ABS is in because my sport mode is not on yet. There we go, sport mode is on.
Here we go. Warm-up lap completed. Get a bit more pace on. See if I can hold off this BRZ. Let's do this. Here we go. Go little WRX, go. Gotta be careful in this first corner because my tyres and brakes are very cold. Yep. Here we go.
Brake light. Corner smooth. Onto the ripple strip. Got a mad little MR2 behind me. I'm finding it really hard to get my car in gear. As usual, when we get to the straight, he just walks away. And now I've got to spend the rest of my lap trying to catch him from all of that gain that he just got from me there. I've got to try and brake aggressively, corner smoothly, make sure I've got as much grip as I can. Eyes all the way around, like riding motorbikes. You don't want to look at just where you're going, you want to be looking ahead as well.
Up here, I have got to hold it. I want to lift off because I'm scared, but hold it. Oh, sideways at 110 kilometers an hour. Time there, but you know what, the BRZ's a fighter. Might not have that all-out power, but what it does have, as I've said before, is the will to win, to keep fighting no matter what and not give up.
I just hit a fuel cut. That corner for some reason just gets the fuel away from the pickup. That's a bad thing. Something you're going to have to address. But otherwise this lap's feeling pretty good. Just using the brakes heaps more than I would normally. All four tyres are just complaining about it, but it's okay. I've got my diff control set to the middle to see if that helps me at all.
No, I'm seeing double.
So far I can stay away from the BRZ, but I've got another WRX behind me with less power, but way more grip. So it's be interesting to see how quickly he catches me in the corners. As I'm backing off here. He's going to get me right here. I'm going to stay out wide, let him get in there, get out of the way. See, bro? The amount of tyre smoke coming off his back wheel is just crazy.
Marty's getting away! He's getting away, damn it! Come on, BRZ. How late can I brake? All right, I'm hopping in front. Whoa! All right, here we go.
Give him some space because I might have been actually holding him up a little bit. Oh, this car just wants to go sideways constantly. Well, he brakes so much later than me. Oh! He's so sideways, wow. He's just sideways through that whole corner. Amazing. Sideways, 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 so am I. He can just turn in, it's so sharp compared to my car.
I'll be happy today if I see myself getting a bit of a lead before the straight again. Not too much to ask for, just a little bit of a lead, please, BRZ. Just to pull a couple of car lengths foot to the floor. Foot to the floor, braking hard. None of those noises were pleasant. This is great. Oh, he's got so much more corner speed. It's crazy. Awesome. Just awesome. Slow down because I was going to run into him. He's giving it everything, I'm not. What's interesting about the way I've got the diff set at the moment is if I tap the brakes ever so slightly, I can induce some oversteer. And like now, and I don't know that it's faster, but it's way more fun, like a bit slower in like this, and then get on the power now. The back actually feels like it's coming around a little bit more so. He's just sideways through the whole corner. Crazy. Up ahead of me is this a Corolla? It's called the Shitfire 2. I think that one's owned by a couple of young mechanics here. We'll give them a run up the straight. Well done, boys. Chopped! I own a BRZ and I chopped a Corolla once. Head gasket. What is awesome is you can just sort of drive this thing with one hand. You can just... What's amazing, my temperatures have not moved all day. I'm thrashing the pants off this car. Temperatures have not moved. Oh, struggling to get into third gear sometimes. Well done, Toyota or Subaru or whoever made this car. Excellent. Awesome. Now, I don't know how you meant to go around this corner. I like going around tight and then widening it up. But I don't know if that's what you... Sketchy as. Oh, he saw me coming and he shut the door. Not happening today, mate. I am all over him like a hemorrhoid, to quote my good friend. Okay, he's now right on me, which is good because now I can see if I can actually get a few car lengths on him. I think his any mechanical sympathy that he's had in the past is now gone, and I think he's just he's ready to drive like there's no tomorrow. Great fun. Red lights, it's all over. Hey! Amazing. My diff control. What's my diff control doing? I think it was on auto for some of that. Don't know why. Can't really make the back slide. No, a little bit. Not much. My best lap, 55.5. All right, so there it is, Mad Little Truck Day out at Luddenham. Thanks heaps to AGI Roll Cages who put this day on. They put a little day on because people hadn't been going out for ages. We've used lots of their cages and bars in our cars, from Mod Max through to 240Z and all sorts of things. So thanks to them. Neither of the cars blew up, Martin.
Neither
they both did well.
I thought mine was making a knocky noise. I blew a vacuum hose. That's about as interesting as it gets. I understeered a lot. It's a setup thing. It's a tyre thing. Just work it out. That's part of, well, the interesting part of actually coming and doing this. And once again, everyone, do you know which car was quicker?
I think they were. I did a 55.5.
The best I did was a 55.76.
Can I have a
yours
look?
was a
Can you give us a look?
55.70.
Oh, 7.0.
You did a 7.0 on one session, and then the session after you did a 55.5.
Okay,
so
so
0.2 of a second quicker, and before that, 0.06 of a second quicker.
Wow. So there's not much in it.
No.
So which one should you buy?
That's an easy answer. It's the easiest answer, because you could buy at least 2 or 3 of them, or you could buy the other one for.
The answer is...
But one's turbo.
A 180SX. Thank you, everybody. That was a little bonus, little bit of extra something for you.
We're going to go get a burger?
Milkshake. Let's go get a milkshake. Have you seen those vegan milkshakes made with